On the 29th of January, climate justice activists in D.C. stormed the offices of Pepco, known for mountaintop removal coal-based electricity, of Monsanto, known for poisoning our agriculture with fossil fuel-based chemicals, and Caterpiller, whose machines are fundamental to everything from coal mining to war. Things got a little ugly inside the lobby of Pepco. Looks like they're trying to go in. A lot of them got in! Considerable use of force by the police. And the cops displaying batons to defend PEPCOAL, as Pepco is sometimes called, and physically throwing people out of the building was all over the delivery of a symbolic fossil eggs at Pepco's corporate lobby. Pepco has been facing steadily accelerating pressure to stop using electricity made with coal from mountaintop removal mine sites. Monsanto, whose fossil fuel-based chemicals are poisoning our agriculture, was the scene of a similar lobby fight. Here we go. We got people entering one of the buildings singly. We got one inside. You see. Monsanto, aka Monsanto, just got stormed by some of the participants in Funk the Warming. Only a few people got in.
Oh, we got in.
Yeah.
Fuck them. The police brutality is amazing in this city.
These guys are pretty terrible because they take away all the small farmers in the U.S.
Yeah, I'm more familiar with the seed patents.
Yeah, that stuff sucks too. Why would they try to put a patent on something that's nature? It doesn't
money.
make sense at all.
They want to enslave
It's all profit.
There goes the fossil.
People are way too concerned. People are way too concerned with money, and they should just kind of like take the appreciate nature a little more and take it for what it is, and try to not control it themselves.
Here comes more of the police misconduct.
Yeah, we just wanted to look at that.
Looks like Monsanto isn't having a very good time.
Oh, jeez. Shot.
Who do you protect? Who do you serve? 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 Who do you protect? Who do you serve?
Clearly not us.
Step back. You're standing in front of a giant corporation while people suffer.
Another giant corporation that makes people suffer is Caterpiller, whose D9 bulldozers are used in mountaintop removal coal mining, which threatens people of West Virginia with having their homes destroyed by flash flooding, and are also used by the Israeli Defense Force in occupied Palestine to bulldoze Palestinian families' homes. Caterpillar, too, had their offices raided by Funk the Warming. There it goes. Deliver the egg.
Calm down. They're not going to do anything. Calm down. They're not going to do anything. Calm
Caterpillar's
They got in. This Caterpillar.
Get in there.
There it goes. The egg's in.
When the Caterpillar D9 is not in Coal River County, West Virginia, knocking the tops off of mountains, pushing the rubble into the rivers, and building up giant dams of slush that can destroy miles of land, the Caterpillar D9 is serving the Israeli Defense Force.
Additional fossil eggs were delivered at the offices of Shell, at the building that houses both Blackwater's lobbying firm and Chevron, and at the U.S. Chamber of Commerce. At all three of these buildings, activists were unable to get inside, so the fossil eggs made of paper mache were delivered outside. Trunk to Warming was a joint project of D.C. Students for a Democratic Society and D.C. Rising Tide, and it's appropriate that this action, including the storming of Pepco's lobby over mountaintop removal coal mining, occurred while tree sitters had Massey's Beetree surface mine in West Virginia shut down. Civil disobedience in West Virginia and civil disobedience in D.C.